My hair felt dry, tangled, and unhealthy. Hard water is water that contains high level of minerals like magnesium and calcium.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
Hey sis, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tamara Henderson and you are watching Tamara's Hair Care. After my last video, I was honestly shocked, guys. If you're not sure what I'm talking about my last video when I did my big chop, and then I tell you guys the reason why I did my big chop, and I was completely shocked. So many of you are commenting saying that you are experiencing the same exact problem. I was going through excessive shedding, tangling, and hair that just stopped thriving. And that's when I realized this wasn't just my story. So if you're not sure what I'm talking about, I have been struggling with hard water issue, guys, and that's the reason why I did my big chop from my long hair relaxer here. I know I'm completely natural, and when I post the reason why I did my big chop, so many of you could have related to this problem. And of course, I realized this is an issue that so many of us are facing, and some of us don't even realize or know the cause of why it's happening to you. So of course, I decided today I want to talk about hard water, how it affects your hair and how to know if it's happening to you, and also what we can start doing to fix it together. Okay, so first, before I even jump in the video, I want to say thank you. Reading your comments let me realize that I am not alone, and neither are you guys. Okay, so many of you stated that your hair suddenly becomes dry, you're seeing more sheddings, your hair tangles after washing, and your products stop working the way they used to. So if that sounds like you guys, please know you are not crazy and you are not failing your hair. So I learned sometimes the problem isn't your routine, it's your environment. So let's talk about what hard water actually is. Hard water is water that contains high level of minerals like magnesium and calcium. So these minerals are safe for drinking, but for hair, especially chemically treated hair, they can definitely cause serious problem, guys. So over time, these mineral creates a layer of buildup on your hair strands, and that buildups will block moisture from entering the hair, stop products from absorbing properly, causes dryness, increase tangling, and can lead to excessive breakage and shedding. So even when you're doing everything right, your hair is still struggling. That was exactly my experience, guys. So after I moved from Jamaica to the US, my hair changed completely. Even wash days, I was losing so much hair. My hair felt dry, tangled, and unhealthy. Something I have never experienced for over 10 years being on my healthy, relaxed hair journey. So of course, I know something was wrong. To be honest, at first I blamed myself, but then my daughter here started reacting the same way. That's how I knew something external had changed. And after doing a bunch of research, I discovered it was the water, guys. So let me give you some signs you can look out for to know if your water is affecting your hair. Your hair feels dry immediately after washing. Your shampoo does not lather well. Your hair starts tangling more than usual. You're experiencing increased shedding on wash day. Your hair looks dull and coated. And of course, your skin feels dry after showering for too long. Because remember guys, hard water doesn't just affect our hair, it also affects our skin as well. Because it does affect my skin as well as my hair. So if you're experiencing any of these, comment yes below. So now let's talk about solution, okay? Because there are things that we can do that can help us so we can continue on her healthy hair care journey. All right, so I'm going to share my personal things that I have started doing to help with my hard water issue that I'm currently having. Okay, there are more things that you can do, but this is what I am currently doing at the moment. All right. Since I've done my big chop and starting over my healthy hair growth journey, the first thing I've done is change my water source. I have begun using water from another area, like outside of the area that I live in, because apparently the issue is where at the area that I live in. But further down, they have better quality water. So I'm start getting water from like 30 minutes away from where I live. And of course, I already start experience a difference in how my hair actually feels. Number 2, I try to remove the mineral buildups. Hard water require proper cleansing to remove those deposit buildup from your hair. 3, I'm focusing in on moisture restoration. Once the buildup is removed, hydration becomes super important, guys, to bring back life into your hair. And the 4th thing that I'm doing is gentle handling. Less manipulation and more protective care while my hair recovers. And of course, I have been using Henderson Organics products because they're designed to support healthy hair care. Healthy hair, scalp balance, and moisture, which is especially important during recovery. So, if your hair have been struggling lately, I want you to hear this. Your hair is not broken, sis. Your growth journey is not over. And sometimes starting over is the beginning of a healthier hair. And to be honest, guys, this experience taught me that hair care is not just about products and routine. It's also about understanding your environment. Does that make sense? I want us to learn together, so tell me in the comment section. Where do you live? And have you ever checked your water quality? Have you experienced any changes in your hair after moving to a new area? So sis, comment water journey if you want me to document my entire recovery step by step. So after all that now, sis, let me tell you what you can expect on this channel. On this channel, you can expect my hard water recovery routine. Wash days for damaged or shedding hair. Natural and relaxed hair growth tips. Products education as well. Protective styling ideas. And of course, honest hair growth updates. So sis, we are rebuilding together and no one is left in behind. So with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for supporting me through this new chapter. Your stories and your encouragement and your openness remind me why I started this channel in the first place. And that is to help us grow healthier hair together. So this is a new journey, but we are walking in it together. And I truly believe the growth is coming. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right. So guys, in my next video, I will be sharing my full wash day routine for hard water damaged hair and how I'm helping my hair to recover. So look out for that video next. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section and like this video, subscribe to my channel. Come on this new hair care journey with me, guys. I also will be starting a 90-day hair growth challenge soon, so look out for that video. I'll be dropping that video very shortly. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you every single time I drop a new video, guys. And also remember to check out my hair care line at hendersonorganics.com. So if you want to support a small business, a Black-owned business, a all-natural hair care line that actually works, you can check out my website at hendersonorganics.com. The link will be in my description box below. All right, so if you're ready to take your hair growth journey serious and you're ready to use all natural, very effective products because your hair deserves it, go ahead and check out my hair care line. And that's the hair care line that I will be using to grow up my hair long, healthy, and thick again. All right, but anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video was pretty helpful. I hope you guys learned. I hope it makes you guys, I hope you guys feel safe, and I hope you guys feel like you're in a community right now. I hope you guys know that you're not alone, and you know that help is on the way, that because we're going to be doing this together guys. We're going to grow back our lung healthy here together. So make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss out on any of my videos. All right, because we are going on this journey together, and we are going to get this long healthy thick nice luxury desire here together. All right, so make sure you guys join the hair growth community and subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.